Delta 1070 Heavy, turn left heading 100, clear visual approach runway 8.
Left to 100, we do have runway 8 in sight. Cleared.
United 1724, respond.
And Delta 1070 is responding to a TA or an RA.
1070 Heavy. Roger. UBS 1724, thank you. Let me know when you are done and the traffic is beneath you. A Heavy Heavy Airbus.
United 1724 is responding to a TA.
United 1724, Roger. Do you want to be resequenced?
Hey, firm, United 1724.
United 1724, climb and maintain 5,000 to right heading 180.
5,000, right turn 180, United 1724.
What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
Sequence.
What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
I'm sorry, I don't understand that.
Okay, do you want us still on this approach?
Delta 1070 Heavy, if you would like to proceed inbound for this visual to runway 8, you can, or I can resequence you.
Let's resequence.
Delta 1070 Heavy, climb and maintain 4,000, turn left heading 360.
4,000